Welcome, fellow travelers, to another mesmerizing journey with Wanderlust Ventures. Today, we embark on an unforgettable expedition through the heart of Africa, unveiling the hidden treasures of the Central African Republic. Nestled in the heart of the continent, this landlocked gem is a haven for intrepid explorers seeking unparalleled natural beauty and cultural richness. Central Africa, often overshadowed by its larger counterparts, emerges as a beacon of unexplored beauty. Join us at Wanderlust Ventures as we embark on an odyssey, peeling back the layers of mystery that shroud the Central African Republic. Beyond the mainstream travel radar, this nation unfolds like a carefully crafted novel, revealing hidden chapters of natural splendor and historical significance. As we traverse through this land of mystery and wonder, the Central African Republic invites us to immerse ourselves in its diverse landscapes, ancient history. So, buckle up and get ready to be enchanted by the top 10 must-see destinations that define the essence of this extraordinary nation. Number 10, Dzanga-Sangha Reserve. Our expedition commences in the southwest, where the Dzanga-Sangha Reserve stands as a testament to the Central African Republic's commitment to preserving its natural heritage. Spanning over 4,000 square kilometers, this pristine rainforest is a haven for biodiversity. As we traverse the lush trails, the symphony of exotic birdsong envelopes us, creating a sensory experience like no other. The crown jewel of Dzanga-Sangha is undoubtedly its western lowland gorillas. Here, amidst the dense foliage, these magnificent creatures move with a grace that belies their immense strength. Witnessing these gentle giants in their natural habitat is a humbling and awe-inspiring encounter, making the reserve a must-visit for wildlife enthusiasts and conservation advocates. Number 9, Boali Falls. Our journey takes us northwest to the Boali Falls, a natural spectacle that epitomizes the power and beauty of Central African landscapes. Cascading from the Mbali River, these falls create an awe-inspiring panorama amid the verdant surroundings. The constant roar of the water, coupled with the mist rising from the falls, creates an ethereal atmosphere that captivates the senses. Nestled within the Boali Falls area is the Boali Eco Museum, providing visitors with insights into the local culture and the significance of the falls in Central African history. As you stand before this natural marvel, take a moment to absorb the energy of the falls and appreciate the harmonious coexistence of nature and human heritage. Number 8, Manovo-Gounda. Heading northeast, we encounter the sprawling wilderness of the Manovo-Gounda St. Floris National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that stands as a testament to the nation's commitment to conservation. Covering an extensive area, this park is a sanctuary for a diverse range of species, from the elusive cheetahs to the iconic black rhinoceros. The vast savannas and dense woodlands within the park provide an ideal setting for ecotourism. Embark on a safari adventure to witness the dynamic interplay between predators and prey, and marvel at the intricate ecosystems that sustain life within the park. The Manovo-Gounda St. Floris National Park is not merely a destination, it's a living testament to the importance of preserving our planet's natural wonders. Number 7, Bamingui-Bangoran National Park. Our expedition continues northward to the remote and untouched Bamingui-Bangoran National Park. Spanning vast expanses of wilderness, this park is a haven for birdwatchers and those seeking an authentic African safari experience. The landscape is dotted with acacia trees and waterholes, providing a picturesque backdrop for observing the diverse array of wildlife that calls this park home. Immerse yourself in the tranquility of the park, far removed from the hustle and bustle of modern life. The untouched beauty of Bamingui-Bangoran allows visitors to connect with nature on a profound level, making it a destination that transcends the ordinary. Number 6, Bangui. Our journey brings us to the vibrant capital city of Bangui, situated along the banks of the Ubangi River. Bangui serves as a captivating blend of tradition and modernity, where bustling markets coexist with contemporary architecture. One cannot fully appreciate the Central African Republic without exploring the cultural heart of the nation in Bangui. Wander through the colorful markets, such as the famous Central Market, where vibrant fabrics, traditional crafts, and local delicacies create a sensory kaleidoscope. The Notre Dame Cathedral, with its striking architecture, stands as a symbol of the nation's spiritual heritage. Engage with the locals, known for their warmth and hospitality, and gain insights into the rich tapestry of Central African traditions that thrive within the city. Number 5. Kaga Bandoro. Nestled in the heart of the country, Kaga Bandoro offers a captivating journey into the historical fabric of the Central African Republic. The city is home to the iconic Bokassa Palace, a structure that echoes the nation's complex history. As you explore the palace grounds, you'll unravel the layers of a bygone era, gaining a deeper understanding of the events that have shaped the nation. Beyond the historical landmarks, Kaga Bandoro provides a window into the daily lives of its residents. Engage with the local communities, share stories, and witness the resilience of a people whose spirit is intertwined with the land they call home. The city's charm lies not just in its monuments but in the living history that permeates every corner. Number 4. N'Djamena. Crossing briefly into Chad, we arrive at the bustling city of N'Djamena, a melting pot of cultures that shares influences with the Central African Republic. Explore the vibrant streets, where traditional markets coexist with modern cafes, creating a dynamic urban landscape. N'Djamena offers a unique perspective on the interconnectedness of cultures in this region of Africa. Delve into the city's culinary scene, savoring the flavors of Central African and Chadian cuisine. From aromatic spices to savory dishes, every bite tells a story of the region's rich gastronomic heritage. As you navigate the city's vibrant neighborhoods, you'll find that N'Djamena is a testament to the enduring connections that bind the nations of Central Africa. Number 3. Zinga. Returning to the Central African Republic, our next stop is the quaint town of Zinga, situated along the Ubangi River. This picturesque destination offers a serene escape, where traditional fishing villages and lush landscapes create a tranquil setting. Zinga beckons travelers seeking an authentic experience off the beaten path. Wander through the vibrant markets, where locals trade goods and share stories. The riverbanks come alive with the comings and goings of boats, providing a glimpse into the daily lives of the river-dwelling communities. Take a leisurely boat ride along the Ubangi River, immersing yourself in the natural beauty that defines Zinga. Number 2. Ouadda. In the eastern reaches of the Central African Republic, Ouadda stands as a captivating blend of history and natural beauty. Explore the Ouadda Fort, a historical landmark that whispers tales of the nation's colonial past. The fort's architecture and artifacts offer a tangible connection to a bygone era, inviting visitors to step back in time. Beyond its historical significance, Ouadda captivates with its pristine landscapes. Venture into the surrounding wilderness, where diverse flora and fauna thrive in harmony. The Ouadda region is a testament to the Central African Republic's commitment to preserving both its cultural heritage and the ecological wonders that define its landscapes. Number 1. Chinko Nature Reserve. Our expedition reaches its zenith in the remote and pristine Chinko Nature Reserve, one of the largest protected areas in Central Africa. As we embark on a safari through the vast grassy plains and dense woodlands, the sheer magnitude of biodiversity becomes evident. Elephants, buffaloes, and antelopes roam freely, creating an immersive experience that underscores the importance of conservation. Chinko Nature Reserve is more than a destination, it's a sanctuary for endangered species and a testament to the nation's dedication to preserving its natural heritage. The reserve's expansive landscapes, punctuated by crystal-clear rivers and diverse ecosystems, offer a glimpse into the untamed beauty that defines the Central African Republic. Our journey through the Central African Republic has been a kaleidoscope of experiences, unveiling the nation's natural wonders, cultural richness, and commitment to conservation. From the pristine rainforests to bustling cities, each destination has added a unique chapter to the story of this extraordinary nation. As we conclude this odyssey with Wanderlust Ventures, let the memories of these enchanting places inspire your own adventures. Keep exploring, stay curious, and let the Wanderlust guide your journey into the heart of Africa and beyond.